Part 1. Information about your eligibility. How are you eligible for naturalization? What is your basic eligibility to become a U.S. citizen? How did you become a permanent resident? How did you get your green card? Did you get your green card through a family member? Who was the sponsor for your green card? How long have you been a permanent resident? When did you become a lawful permanent resident? What is your date of residency? Part 2. Information about you. What's your current legal name? What's your full name? What's your first or given name? What's your last or family name? How do you spell your first name? Do you have a middle name? If you answer yes, the officer can ask, "What's your middle name?" Have you used any other name since birth? If you have used another name since birth, the officer can ask, "What's your first name or your given name?" What's your last name or family name? What's your middle name? Have you ever changed your name? Would you like to legally change your name? Do you want to change your name? Please state your new name. What name do you want to change? Can you write down the new name on a sheet of paper? What is your gender? What is your date of birth? tell me your date of birth. What date did you become a lawful permanent resident? Where were you from? What is your country of birth? What is your country of citizenship or nationality? Are you a citizen of Mexico? Do you have another country of nationality? Was one of your parents, including adoptive parents, a U.S. citizen before your 18th birthday? Do you have a physical or developmental disability or mental impairment that prevents you from demonstrating your knowledge and understanding of the English language or civics requirements for naturalization? Do you want the Social Security Administration, or SSA, to issue you an original or replacement Social Security card and update your immigration status with the SSA if and when you are naturalized? Please tell me your Social Security number. Can you give me your Social Security number? What is your daytime telephone number? What is your mobile telephone number? Do you have an email address? What is your email address? Part 3. Biographic information. Are you Hispanic or Latino?
Yes, I'm Hispanic or Latino.
What is your race? What is your height? How tall are you? How much do you weigh? Or, what is your weight? What color are your eyes? Or, what's your eye color? What color is your hair? Or, what's your hair color? Part 4. Information about your residence. What is your current physical address? How long have you lived at your current address? When did you move to the current address? Has your address changed since you sent your application? Did you move after you applied for naturalization? Please tell me your new address. When did you move to that address? Have you lived anywhere else during the last 5 years? If you answer yes, the officer can ask, "Where have you resided during the last 5 years?" Is your current physical address also your current mailing address? What is your current mailing address? Part 5. Information about your marital history. Are you currently married? Have you been married? Are you currently single, married, divorced, or widowed? What's your current marital status? If you are currently married, is your spouse a current member of the U.S. Armed Forces? How many times have you been married? Have you previously been married? Were you married before? What is your spouse's immigration status? What is the current legal name of your spouse? What is your current spouse's last name or family name? What is your current spouse's first name or given name? What is your current spouse's middle name? What is your spouse's birthday? What is the date of birth of your spouse? When did you get married to your spouse? Is your current spouse's present physical address the same as your physical address? When did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen? What date did your current spouse become a U.S. citizen? What is your current spouse's alien registration number? How many times has your current spouse been married? When did your spouse terminate the previous marriage? Please provide divorce decrees, annulment decrees, or death certificates showing that all of your spouse's prior marriages were terminated, if applicable. What is your country your spouse is from? What is your spouse's current job? What is your spouse's occupation? Where is he currently working? Where does your spouse currently work? How long has your spouse been working there? Who do you work for? Please tell me your current spouse's employer's address. Part 6. Information about your children. Do you have children? Do you have any kids? What is the total number of children born to you? How many children do you have? What is the total number of children under 18 years of age? Are your children biological to you? What are their names? Where were they born? What are their dates of birth? What are their birthdays? Where do they currently live? Do you have any adopted children? Do you have any stepchildren? Do you and your spouse have any children? What is your child's name? What is your child's date of birth? Does your child reside with you? Where was your child born? Are you providing support for this child? Do you have any children from previous marriages? What is your child's full name? What is the date of birth for your child? Are you providing support for this child? Does this child currently live with you? Part 7. Information about your employment in schools you have attended. Do you have a job currently? Are you currently employed? What is your current job? What job do you have right now? Where do you currently work? Who is your current employer? Please tell me your employer's address. How long have you worked there? From what dates have you worked there? Where have you worked for the last 5 years? Have you worked anywhere else in the last 5 years? When did you work there? What is your employer's address? Part 8. Time outside the United States. Have you traveled outside the United States in the last 5 years? Have you traveled abroad for the past 5 years? How many times have you left the United States since you got your green card? How many trips have you taken outside the U.S. during the last 5 years? Were any of your trips for 6 months or more? Did any of your trips last 6 months or longer? Did you leave the U.S. for more than 6 months? How many total days did you spend outside the United States during the last 5 years? What is the total number of days you spent outside the U.S.? How many days were you outside the United States each time? What countries did you visit? When was your last trip outside the United States? What date did you return on the last trip? Where did you go? Why did you go there? What were your reasons for leaving the country? Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more.